It does smell pretty heavily mold here. The car has a heavily sense of mold smell. Breaking balls, bro. It's a worm. Huh? Look at molded shit. Mold! Yo, boys. New day, new opportunities. Amazing sun out here today as well. We're here with Haffa. Haffa, Chad. Came all it was driving for another 5 hours. Now we're gonna work on this bad boy right there. Yes. Started briefly yesterday with removing some rust, opening the rest.
So from today, we have less than 2 weeks on us to get this van ready for a great drive from Norway all the way down to Rotterdam, which to and back is over 3,000 kilometers this van will have to go through. So we definitely need to work hard on this van now for the next coming 2 weeks.
So we're gonna treat this stuff. So we're gonna do this all over the place. The biggest problem, I think, is gonna be hard to fix down here. How are we gonna... There's so much rust. So obviously we gotta take off this one as well. Yeah. But this is gonna be difficult to go in there. Oh. But how do we get... What? It's gonna be stuck in the door then? Yeah. What? I might have a solution now. Guys, this is like crazy IQ looking now. Nah, it doesn't work actually. No. But maybe we can actually, this one doesn't seem to be broken. So maybe we can actually reuse this one and clean it a bit.
Yeah, and if there's a hole, we just use Tech 7 in it.
Yeah.
How much power should we use?
Not much, yeah. Nice. Okay. Nice. Look how much rust is let in there. It's up the entire place. Yeah. Look at the rust damage there.
Oh, it smells horrible as well.
Dude, it's so, yeah. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Dog.
Dog.
Today it's gonna be like more inside rust removal, I think. Mostly.
Yeah, because if we're gonna start insulating the car, we need to remove the rust inside.
Yeah.
Outside, we can do whenever we want.
Yeah. For the U-control, this we'll have to do at Gigadad's place. Not today. And also, here is a hole, so that's not for today.
This guy who attached this one used like all the force in the world.
Okay, so he did something dumb.
Yeah, we did like rusting as well.
Yeah, I know. He's the one that put the wire in here, right? Wow. That is epic. Yeah. Am I screwing something?
Nope.
Nah, I'm just breaking the screw.
Yeah.
Yoink. Nice.
Yoink it off.
Don't screw it too hard, guys. It doesn't not worth it.
All the time.
Hard, brother. Yeah, true.
It continues? Yeah. Oh, does it like... Yeah, it probably gets power up in that light.
Yeah. Okay. Haffa actually kind of knows what he's doing.
That being said though, that one is broken forever.
But I think these are super cheap, aren't they?
Yeah. You can buy those.
This is like very cheap.
So, if you're lucky enough to have a store called Biltema area...
Biltema! Now this one is off.
Hell yeah.
Let's go! Good work! It's not trash though, this we need to keep. Now we unlock more stuff to work on here.
So that one gets into all the nooks and crannies.
But that is good.
Yeah. So I think if you start poking with a screwdriver, just get all the grime in here that is like solid like this. Because this one holds moisture and that will like create rust.
Oh wow. The f so much? God damn. Also, this is pretty bad. Not sure what to do here. Probably just put on some type of rust converter and stuff. Just let it heal. I don't know. That's a lot of suction. Suction! I agree, because this is actually important. If we get the puncture, this one need to get open, because this is the big nut. Smart. You just gotta think smart and deep, especially deep. Yeah, think deep. Think really deep.
Oh.
When I go down, it's like, I lift my leg.
Yeah.
But if I go like this...
What if you do sumo deadlift?
Fine.
Yeah. Oh. Wait, isn't that the urine sample?
No, this is what we do.
Yeah. But that you have down
Oh! It's coming now.
Yeah, in here we should have added Ovatrol and not car oil, but this is still gonna do a good job against rust in the future.
Be a little bit less.
For empty oil now? Like we're lubing, chat.
Has been used for car stuff. Then we can brush it in.
Smear it in.
Great.
Wow, nice.
Like,
then we can use this for the dishes later, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
And guys, it's dripping right now, but like in 1 day it's not gonna be dripping.
We need to go underneath. Hold on. There we go.
This is so rusted.
Up
Oh, you removed it?
this wheel.
Yeah.
I just started turning it a little bit, and then these tabs right here were supposed to hold this one in place.
Yeah.
But it just twisted around, but it's fine.
It works.
So this one is kind of stuck, so we just need something to hold on to this so we could get off the nut.
But this tire is useful, right?
Yeah, just need... Oh. Nice!
It is...
Could use brush and paint, but...
Nah.
Okay, now it's moving, it's moving. This is gonna be... It's gonna take an hour if it's this hard.
Yeah.
Oh, woo!
We're gonna have to clean that one now.
Yeah.
Now we could clean it up. So if you have the wire brush on the drill, one guy could hold it with the pliers.
It's completely new now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Better than, yeah. I would
Better,
say.
yeah, it's perfect.
That bolt, we dip a finger into that and smear it out on the bolt. A good amount all across the shaft, and then just...
Wow, some resistance as well.
Yep.
Take that and just... Oh my god.
Yeah, there we go.
Lube it up, kinda.
Yep. So now we're gonna take the other part and we're gonna screw it in and out, and then in, out again a couple of times. Yeah. Ah, it moves pretty freely now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
There you go.
And then let's take it back.
Yeah.
Where it was? Okay.
Yeah.
Fix the rest
Yeah,
first.
we'll leave.
We
Yeah,
have so much rest.
yeah, we'll just leave it to the side, and then we'll.
Yeah.
Good.
Black is oxidation. You can put rust converter and primer on that if there is a chance the metal is too thin. So on this one you should go to the black, and when you're at the black we put on the rest. On here you can go deeper until you know you're close. Does that make sense? So if it is just rusted all the way through, you go until it's black. If it's not rusted all the way through, then you just remove it to the silver.
Yeah.
Look at this man!
Haffa is using this small one, steel brush. He's just basically removed all that has to be removed up here, and now the next one is paint. He's gonna do the same on this side.
Safety is important, chat, as well. Like, I'm luckily safe, but I just held it wrong. I took it on,
shit.
literally started cutting my glove.
Oh shit, bro.
And that happens like... So just be careful, chat.
Yeah, the corners kind of annoying. That gotta find a way to take the corners. Nice, brother. It's amazing work.
Yeah, now we're next step. This is next step. As we finished a lot of the flat parts now that are accessible with a normal angle grinder. Now we're gonna use a different tool.
It's the one we need.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yeah, might want to try with the tip attachment.
Just a tip.
We can't get to that. Like, you have to accept that some is there. So we'll just pour some paint down here. You have the pencils, just do that inside to the React thingy.
Yeah.
And then that's good enough.
It's gonna be good enough. Okay, let's close this door. Close that door. It's raining. But I think someone, chat, was trying to hide rust under here. So they just, at this place, it was starting to rust, and they just put this fugue mass above it to kind of hide the rust. That's actually what I think they've done. To just, yeah. Because it's exceptionally much rust under here. That's why they put that on it, just to hide it, chat. That's not what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Nothing.
That's good.
Okay, that's kind of nice.
What's down there?
Nah, oh, I almost lost it.
Dude, there's not even rust in there.
Yeah, nice.
What is down there? Is it like to get access to some bolts or something?
Wow.
Oh, hey! Hey! Hey!
A nut, at least.
Oh, yeah. Here's
Yeah.
a huge hole.
Splashing in her face.
Hard scrubbing. Scrub that hard, brother.
I'll take this. And then... Where it guts?
Let me have a little look there.
Oh, wow.
Woo! Woo! Cinema. That's a bunch of oil here.
Nice.
But I don't want the Toyota Hiace 2001 to get sick.
Oh, that's the last thing you want.
Yeah.
Lubing up this
For me.
so it doesn't rust.
Yeah.
And this one.
The chemicals will work in the gap there.
Yeah, let's take the chemical there. What is the mixture gonna be on this?
100% acetone onto the rag. Quick wipe.
Now we're safe. Try to breathe now.
I can breathe now.
It works.
Like
That's
this.
good. That's good.
What does acetone do?
So it will take off all the oil and fat
Okay.
and absorb any moisture
Let's
that's there.
put some acetone here.
Don't use like too much because it also like soften the paints that's already there. Put only where you rub, only on the bare metal.
I thought it was error.
Because if not, the paint will go away.
Okay, classic.
Yeah, there.
Nice, this is where you have been working,
I fixed it.
Yeah.
Hoffa. Sick. Do I know what I'm doing? Well, maybe. So now, let me just do this. Try look here.
Nice.
See, they have a layer of this kind of muck here that doesn't go. It's like a layer of some goo here. Game guy. Let me see your side now, Vegard. If you have the same problem. Yeah, you have the same problem.
It is all the way up
But
the
I
sides.
would say this side is like less rusted. Way less rusted. This side has way less rust. Oh my god, Vegard, come here. This is the acetone has melted into the plastic. Holy f***, I spilled some acetone here, chat. It's melted inside.
Dude.
Wow, that is some strong God, bro.
That's why I should have it on my fingers.
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? When you're gonna remove the rust from your old Toyota, you gotta have this one. This one will react with the rust and stop it dead in its path. So this one is the one you use on the one where there's rust you can't get to in the cracks and everything. We're gonna use on where we remove the rust with the angle grinder. This one will stop the pits of rust that might be there, and it will put the protective paint on top. Then you have this spray can with some anti-rust material. Not completely sure how it works, but it sprays on rust and it might stop it. So this might be good.
But what pencil is good? Like
What is the biggest one that you
biggest
can get
ones.
into the crack?
then
Force into it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, smear it out. There we go.
it is enough.
Yeah. Since that thing reacts with metal, once you put metal inside a bottle, the whole bottle will start to react. So we have to be quick.
So you can definitely see that it needs to be resealed here. Here you can see. Here looks a bit good. If we just put glass fiber all over here first, and then reseal.
This is good. Yeah, that's good.
Need to go into the garage.
What is the
This
next?
is the silicone inside.
Okay.
Oh my god, this rain! Okay, is this anything I need to remove? It's gonna be cooked anyway. Oh my god, it's raining a lot. Nein! 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 Nein!